Are you looking for a reliable and effective paid traffic source to boost your online business? Look no further than Rapid Workers with its user-friendly platform and impressive track record. Rapid Workers is an excellent choice for getting the results you need. Please visit the links in the description. Join the free How to Get Targeted Website Traffic newsletter. You'll get instant access to 50 traffic sources and free online tools to help you get more visitors, leads, and sales for both your online and offline business. As an SEO hobbyist, I understand the importance of targeted traffic in driving conversions and increasing revenue. That's why I always recommend Rapid Workers to my clients. Their platform connects businesses with a vast network of skilled workers who are ready to promote your products or services to their online communities. One of the things I love about Rapid Workers is its versatility. Whether you need social media influencers, bloggers, or forum posters, you'll find a wide range of options to choose from. The platform even allows you to specify the demographics and interests of your target audience, ensuring that your content reaches the right people at the right time. Not only does Rapid Workers deliver high-quality traffic, but it also offers competitive pricing. You can set your own budget and pay only for the results you receive. This flexibility makes it an ideal choice for businesses of all sizes, whether you're a startup looking to make a splash or an established brand aiming to increase your market share. So if you're ready to take your online business to the next level, consider Rapid Workers as your paid traffic source. With their reliable platform, diverse pool of workers, and cost-effective pricing, you'll be well on your way to achieving the results you desire. Don't forget to join the free traffic newsletter website link right under this video in the description to access 50 traffic sources instantly. Affiliate disclosure. Please note that if any links are clicked in the description and purchases are made, that it is assumed that the owner of this article, blog, website, channel may earn commissions. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on generating more targeted website traffic to your offers, affiliate links, and online business. Thanks for watching this video on why Rapid Workers is a great paid traffic source to get the results you need in your business.